Enjoy the presentation tour. This property is represented by Steve Seidel. There are 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1 half bathroom and 1 3/4 bathroom in this spacious 3,556 square foot home. This listing is priced at $439,800. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Steve Seidel at 763-574-2000. That's 763-574-2000. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.